Yes, I know, it's 2 Minute Tuesday, but if you look at the time of the video right now, it's longer than 2 minutes because this is a common question I get from a lot of y'all. How do I grow my following? How do I become an influencer? I want to work with brands. I want to bring more attention to my business. Or I'm a creator. I love to create things, take photos, paint, write, make music, and I want to bring attention to what I'm doing so I can sustain myself and really build a business or make money out of doing what I love. So in this video, I'm giving you the 3 secrets, the 3 keys you need that I think I've never probably told you. I haven't really gone really deep into them, nor do I really see anybody else talking about it on YouTube. Well, maybe one other person, but that's about it. For the most part, people are scared. They want to keep it to themselves, but you know that's not what I'm known for. You know on this channel, all I do is show y'all love and give you the best of what I got. So here we go. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. For the newcomers, my name is DevanOnDeck, and you're watching my series, DevanOnTech, where I teach you how to create better content and be more successful in the digital space. I'm really dedicated to helping you guys brand yourselves in a better way. And the other half of my channel is really about men's style, grooming, all that good stuff. So either of those things sound good to you or both, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the family. If you've already subbed, hit that bell icon and you get a notification every time I drop a video. Number 1, and you cannot miss this. Influence is 99.9% about others and not about you. I know I'm going against the grain for a lot of people, but for y'all that are more woke to this, you get exactly what I'm saying right now. If you've been following me since Instagram, I used to be just the fashion guy who made cool videos. You know how I started, right? But then once I started peeling the layers back and started caring more about what value I can provide you, what more that I can give you, how I can build you up, that's when I got your trust. I've almost made like 100 videos right now on YouTube in the year and 2 months I've been on here. In the last couple months though, I've grown like 5,000 subscribers, right? So my first year, 5,000, in 2 months, 5,000. How does that happen? Because y'all started waking up. People started seeing what I'm truly about in my heart. I made a transformation here because I saw the shift coming. The traditional celebrity, internet celebrity, does not bring you actual value. They don't make actual impact. The future of influencer marketing and all this is all about building community, inspiring action, and bringing value. So you gotta make it about other people, period. Think about it. If influence is all about followers and likes and comments, then you can just buy all that stuff. But what you can't fake is people actually moving on what you said to do, right? That's why I do like hashtags Team on Deck. You check the Team on Deck hashtag on Instagram, you're going to find people actually doing the edits and stuff that I've been teaching because those are actual people that actually have been influenced because I've empowered them to stretch their minds to be better. I've been giving you the tools. I'm not making you do anything, I'm just giving and you're responding by that giving, right? I'm also breaking the mold, and that leads me to number 2. One thing that I've also done is broken the mold. I've kind of changed what you expect, especially from a fashion guy that started on Instagram. In a very competitive space, I've broken the mold completely, for lack of a better term, and opened up the whole secrets and opened up Pandora's box and showed you the inside of like, hey, here's how I did it. Here's more tools you can use. Here are the apps that everybody uses. I show you that openly and freely, and now what do I have? I have your trust, I have your loyalty. So the question is, what makes you truly unique? What can you do that no one else can do? And it doesn't matter if no one's ever done it before, right? No one ever really done any anime fashion videos before I did them because I love fashion and I love anime. That's why I do all these cool tricks with the videos because that's how my imagination works. No one done it before, but it got me a lot of attention, helped me grow my account on Instagram. You get what I'm saying? So don't worry about if it's been done before. You gotta always question how it's always been done. Oh, and last thing on breaking the mold, Instagram may not be the best platform for you. Think bigger than that. If you're more of a writer or somebody who's good at writing, then it may be your advantage to go to Twitter, where a lot of banter and back and forth and witty commentary and pop culture references kind of rule the space. People have the biggest platforms over there. I'm not so good at writing, so I don't have a lot of Twitter followers, unless you like to hear about aspirational stuff or design stuff or like, I don't know, sneakers and shit like that. Either way, I'm not the strongest on that, so it's not really my platform. I'm good on camera, I'm great at expressing myself through voice, then there we go. If you don't like being on camera, but you like talking, start you a podcast. Figure out what works for you, but it's not always Instagram. It's not the end all be all. Yes, it should be a part of the conversation, especially especially as a business, you want to show that. If you have a visual art or something you need to show, I get it. You got to show that, right? But it's not always the same for everybody. It's not a cookie cutter. We're all individual people. You just got to apply the work, get the tools like from this channel, and put in the time. Okay, that's all it takes. And speaking of thinking bigger, this leads me to number 3. You gotta have an end goal in mind. You have all the followers in the world, you get all the comments you want, you have all the accolades, everybody's watching YouTube videos. Okay, then what? What do you do then? What do you truly enjoy? How are you gonna leave your stamp on this world? What's your bigger vision for yourself? For me, I think in legacy terms. I'm trying to build a legacy for empowering the creative class. Yes, I care about business people and stuff too, and entrepreneurs. Great, if you follow me, I love you. However, if you're a creator, you make stuff, then those are the people that I really attach to, because those are my pain points growing up. I was a really creative kid, and I didn't really figure out how to monetize and put bread in my pocket for what I love until in my late 20s. And I wish I could have done that earlier. And if I can make that time shorter for someone else, then I'm gonna do it. And I wanna be known for that. All in all, I'm just trying to push y'all to have a winning mindset. Think bigger than just these likes and these comments. This whole market is changing and evolving, and the future belongs to multifaceted, multidisciplinary creators, people that have more than one layer, than one song they play all the time. You gotta have a variety of things that you can do, different ways you can communicate your value. So really give some real thought to that, and I really hope y'all hear me on this video. If you enjoyed this video, give your guy a thumbs up. Any feedback, any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear anything y'all have to say. Let's have a discussion. Thanks for your time as usual, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.